Hey guys, I'm not yet done with my hair. Like, the curls are still here, so I'm planning on doing this. And I've bought a cover for my phone. Like, this is so cute. I've been a black cover girly for so long, so I'm changing to this. I'm going to decorate it with some dolls like this. Like, this heart matches perfectly with this cover. Yo. And then I have like this sunflower, this one which is a happy, and then I have like this one which is orange dish. Yeah, and I'll still have to do my nails. Yeah, and also I'm prepping on going to my village because we have like a burial. So a sister to my grandma passed away, so we are going for burial. I need to take time and prep for that. So let me get done with all these things now. have luggage, I'm tired, and I need help. Yeah. I'm out of breath. It was a success. Now to my grandma. To leave. Hey guys, how are you doing? I came back from Kiambu last week on Wednesday, and on the same week we lost our uncle, like the brother to my dad. He passed away on Saturday and we got the news on Sunday. So yesterday was Wednesday. My mom, my dad, my sister and my younger brother left for the burial. It's crazy how we are experiencing a lot of death. I don't know what's happening in our family, but I condemn the spirit of death in our family in Jesus' name. Like, no more death. Oh God. Anyway guys, I was preparing some lunch for myself. I'm having sosi and mukimo ya jana ya yenye haina mahindi, because me and Maize, we are not besties. So yes guys, mashamba was fun. I know it was not at the right time to go and enjoy myself, but it was also fun. You guys, I read the tribute from my grandma. Whew. And there was a lot of people there. I read the tribute. I'm a person who is never scared standing in front of people and talking to them. But before I get to the point that I'm talking, I get nervous. Before I stand up, walk to the stage, I'll be nervous. But when I'm in the stage, girl, yeah, I'm that girl, period. So I read the tribute for my grandma. I took pictures at her grave. Yeah. Anyway guys, let me not be emotional over here. Thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. So good.